Nases ochiwo siem ni nitiere nok mag nases e ute mag thieth ma pachoka, okang' mosebedo ka rocho chenro mag thieth e osiptande mopogore opogore. Ker mar riwruok mar nases Collins Otieno oyango ni kuonde tiegruok mag nases KMTC bende osebedo ka pong' kod jopuonjre matiegore higa ka higa. Oloso e kaunti ma Machakos e kinde nyasi mar ringo juma mar dhialo nases. Otieno noyango ni gavanas ma pachoka osebedo kod samuoyo mandike tich nases e kaunti magi ka nases tara gi gana to osebed kisidho kondo higa ka higa.
Among the courses that are offered in KMTCs and universities, nursing is the most hotly sought for training in Kenya. And we currently, all the campuses are full. Up to the next 2 years, there's no opportunity for even taking up the training. And the colleges graduate almost 10,000 graduates, nurse graduates yearly. But ironically, all of them do not get their way into the employment market. So we have nurses who are not employed, but we have opportunities, we have shortage in our health facilities, and I think this is occasioned by majorly failure of the county executives to prioritize employment of nurses.
What we want to request government to give as a present to the nurses this, as we celebrate this Nurses Week, number one, the CBA 2017, it will sort the issues of strikes. Number two, we want the career progression guideline, which we have developed, to be adopted by the Council of Governors and the national government, so that it can sort the issues of promotions in the counties and at any level of healthcare.
I just want to share a tip. If you empower the nurses that are working in your counties, make that decision to implement that CBA, make that decision to enhance that risk allowance, make that decision to take care of the nurses working in your counties. The moment you make that decision, you have made the decision to skyrocket the healthcare system in your county.
I have instructed, I have said even them, they have to be taken care of. You know the caregivers. Wale wanamkaga asubuhi anakuja kuosha wagonjwa, wanafanya kazi na nyinyi. Si sawa? So that one is ongoing. The promotions, the risk allowances, baruas wale wajapata, nimeambia maybe from next week forward barua zitaanza kutoka.
Kawadhi e kaunti ma Kisumu eni moko kuom johala kwano lal maduong' e katiba